On the other hand, whole life insurance is generally much more expensive, but it builds equity like a home. When you own something, you have options. When you rent or lease something, you're at someone else's mercy. Think about renting a home or apartment. When you have a problem, you have to call and wait for someone else to fix it. It doesn't show up as an asset and it doesn't contribute to your net worth. You make payments for years, but you're never any closer to owning it. You're not building equity and you're not gaining any flexibility or options. Now, of course, there are times when renting is completely appropriate, but we can all agree that this is not the most advantageous position to be in. By contrast, when you buy a home and you have it completely paid off, you have the deed. You have all the control and all the options. You can generate income by renting out a room of your home. You can leverage the equity that you've built to acquire other investments or even other properties. You have tons of options. Well, life insurance actually works the same way. Term life insurance is generally inexpensive, but you're not building anything. If you have a 30-year term policy, you'll pay premiums for 30 years. And that's just to give you the potential for a death benefit if something happens to you. Now, if you were to pass away after 31 years, you've paid all those premiums over all that time, and none of it contributes to the financial security of those that you leave behind. On the other hand, whole life insurance is generally much more expensive, but it builds equity like a home. This valuable asset that you're growing over time gives you unparalleled flexibility to meet the demands of life. Throughout your lifetime, you will need to finance various large purchases such as cars, furniture, down payments for homes, etc. How you do this is up to you if you have the foresight to plan ahead. Now, unlike a home, a whole life insurance policy can allow you all of this flexibility, options, and control when it comes to financing and earn a dividend for you at the same time. In fact, this is the only asset of its kind. It's worth your time to learn about how to properly use whole life insurance in your financial life. In fact, this is the only asset of its kind. It's worth your time to learn about how it works and why. Check the link below this video for our free course that will increase your financial knowledge.